Hi, I'm Jonathan Beck, Technical Program Manager at Unified Cloud. This video series will introduce you to CloudRecon, which is a part of the Cloud Atlas integrated toolset. The Cloud Atlas suite of tools support the entire cloud migration lifecycle from discover and assess, target and migrate, to monitor and report. In this video, we'll be looking at the All Devices, SQL Server report, Web Apps, Active Directory, Network report. All Devices give the idea of the total number of VMs that are ready to go to Azure. These are divided into the following category: the total number of VMs, number of Windows VMs that are ready to migrate to Azure, number of SQL VMs ready to migrate to Azure, number of BizTalks that are ready to migrate, total number of Linux VMs, and the number of Linux VMs ready to migrate. The main thing IT administrators can take away from this page is the bar chart here that shows the end of service machines. The red color coded machines, there's this one, Windows Server 2003, are end of service and no longer compliant. The orange color means that the server versions or the OS versions are soon to be end of service. This page also shows you the machine details categorized by processor type, age, host machines, guest machines, Oracle products, and Linux machines. SQL Server report is similar to the machine information but limited to SQL. This bar chart will help the SQL database administrators decide which SQL servers are critical. It shows you the number of SQL servers by version. The red color indicates the end of service SQL database administrators will have to move, such as the SQL Server 2005. It also categorizes the SQL servers in different ways, such as these donut charts, for machine types and SQL instance additions. This gives database administrators a deeper understanding of their inventory. You can also see the SQL instance detailed information, SQL component service information, SQL instance performance information, and the SQL base information. Web App Report gives you the idea of how many web applications you have in your environment. These can be categorized in three categories: the custom web applications, cloud potential applications, and Visual Studio applications. The first bar chart shows the web apps by OS they are hosted on. The red color indicates the OS that are end of service and are no longer compliant. The cloud potential applications are developed with ASP, .NET, and Java, and they're not dependent on other applications. These are the steps that we support in assessing for a cloud migration. It doesn't mean that the other applications cannot migrate, but that they are apps that will need additional effort to migrate to the cloud because we do not do assessments for them on the Cloud Atlas suite of tools. Active Directory shows you the user-specific information for Office 365. You will be able to see the number of licenses you need and how many clients are ready to run Office 365. First, this chart shows you information regarding the servers used for Active Directory. Scroll down, the chart shows you the number of active Exchange users, age, and when they were given licenses. And this chart shows you the users by login time, or last logged in. The last information is Active Directory information that will give IT administrators insight into the number of licenses needed for Active Directory, and the detailed information for each user that already has licenses, such as account creation date and password last set date. Lastly, the network report shows you the DNS and DHCP server information. These are for internal networking. This information will help you in the migration phase. It will be used for setting up the network on Azure. In all of these reports, each component can be extracted into either PDF forms for the graphs, Excel format for lists. These can be shared with individuals that will not have access to the CloudRecon tool dashboard. That will be the end of this video. This video, we have covered the Cloud Inventory tabs, all devices, SQL Server report, web apps, network report, and Active Directory. All the other videos will cover the remaining aspects of CloudRecon. Thank you.